want to add lights and power to your kayak the easy way. In this video I will show you how I installed Yak-Power system on my Old Town Sportsman kayak. So basically I will install, first of all, I need to install the green and the red lights on the sides, and I want to install some white lights inside on the deck and maybe later on the back. Plus I want to install some in the future plugs for the USB so I can charge my cameras and my phone, for example. So let's go. So over here I have this wireless control system, so we're gonna install this. Also I will install Yak-Power green and red lights on the side and white lights on the deck for today. To power this I will use Amped outdoor lithium battery, 15 amp hours, 12 volts. I will see if it will be too small. Maybe in the future I will upgrade to 30 or 15. So first we need to drill the holes, install these lights like this, and so we start from beginning, from the front of the boat, and then going, and we'll see the switch will be somewhere here or here. I don't know yet, probably on this side, and the battery I will install somewhere over here in this storage. So here is the close-up of the Yak-Power control system. So it comes with a power panel, port for the bow, middle and back, and a battery plug and connectors for lights or other gear. Here is my battery, 12 volts, we'll see. I think for the lights is enough. And the lights, first of all I need to install this, green and red. I will leave the links description below so you can use the same products if you want. So I will install my lights over here. So if you see this line over here, so under this line, maybe one each lower or even just over here. So it should be fine. It's exactly like a couple inches on top of the water. So over here, because over here on top I planning to place the number, and here should be fine. So from this point, where is this plus, going this way, I will drill a hole over here and going over here. So let's check. So something like this. Let's go this way, maybe this way, but anyway, why not? Okay, the cables. So the green goes on the right side. So if you face into the front of the boat, so the green go on the right side and red go on the left side. So I will install this over here. So where's my plus? Over there. Mark it. So I will make the hole over here. And also this light will face in more downwards, so it will not go in my eyes when I'm gonna travel on this kayak at night. Okay, so we have this, I don't know what is that, some connector. So we need to screw this connector to the bolt like this. So find the right drill. I think the 3/8 is good. Oh, so we need to make the hole. Like this, nice hole. Oh, it's even small. Oh, this is my biggest one. A little bit bigger than 3/8, maybe 7/8. Okay. Also, we need the marine sealant. So, place close. So we have here the gasket. I just place this sealant on this, let's say, screw. Very small. Like that. And now going inside. We have this wrench. But be careful, do not over tie this. This gasket, I think I did big hole. That's fine. Okay, now go on other side. Later I can place another silicone from other side. We can seal this hole better. So I need this, and I go on other side. Then the red light goes on this side, so the same mark the hole. Over here, different. I will say 7/16 is better than 3/8. 3/8 is too small. 7/16 should be fine. Like that. Now check this. Oh, now it's good. basically full. Good. Tight, but better tight. And then, okay, place the silicone with my GoPro. So first place the silicone on these threads on marine sealant, and now screw. Oh, this one is much better. Everything should be fine. And that you can place more silicone around. Good. So like I said, 7/16 is the best size. So like you can see, we have the hole over here. It's inside, and like I said, we need to place more silicone on that. I don't know if you can see, but I just want to place some silicone from more silicone from inside. Now we need to run this cable. So basically this goes to one, and then go to another one, the green to the red. But over here somewhere I need to install my... So over here I need to install this same system on this switch, basically power panel. So somewhere here I need to install the power panel. I'm just thinking where to install it, where to place it. So we have this Yak-Power panel, and this goes to the power, and these different cables, 1, 2, SBM. Okay, we can connect to some of them, like for example 1, a bit later. So at this time I need to place it somewhere. So like you can see, we have the hole over here. It's inside, and like I said, we need to place more silicone on that. I don't know if you can see, but I just want to place some silicone from more silicone from inside. Good. Now we need to run this cable. So basically this goes to one, and then go to another one, the green to the red. But over here somewhere I need to install my... So over here I need to install this same system on this switch, basically power panel. So somewhere here I need to install the power panel. I'm just thinking where to install it, where to place it. So this panel I will install over here behind the rod holders. I can try to show it on the camera. So rod holders, I will install it behind the rod holders, so it takes less space. And I will use these clamps. Okay, so behind like that. And also I will use the zip ties to secure it. So like that. Okay, look fine. So all the wires I have here, the power is over here. Then just this wire, and then this lights green and red I connect to one, like that. Then I just zip it this over here, connect to my light. So zip it over here somewhere, connected to my light, and another goes over there and connecting the same way. Okay, but for these lights, side lights, I just waiting to seal and dry out a little bit, so I can connect it even tomorrow. But it's almost, so maybe in about an hour or so. Okay, so I finished with these wires. Okay, so I connected the side lights. I secure all the wires around, so I connected all these wires to the rod holders, and also I connected the panel, control panel, to the rod holders. So like you see over here, connected to the rod holders. Over here I connected to the wire, and over there even I place it behind the rod holders, and here I also place it behind the rod holder, the panel. So I have here just the power cable. So at this time I will connect next I will install the battery. Where is my 12 volts battery? So it's over here. Let's install the battery. So for now I think the 12 volts, the 15 ampere hours should be enough for just the wires. For the lights, we'll see. I don't know, maybe it will be not enough if I connect all the lights and if I will charge the cameras, but we will see. So here we are supposed to have some cable that we can connect. You can connect the power, I believe this one. Check instruction. Yeah. Battery box under hole. I believe this one. So we have the clamps here. So we can easily. This clamps is smaller than. So connect this to the thing. Need to make it bigger. So you see, this clamps is a little bit smaller. So we need some tools. No. So I just with the screwdriver make it a little bit bigger. So now it goes. And this goes to the power cable. So red to red, black to black, and connect this cable. Now I need to install this battery somewhere. I will use, and I just connect it to the kayak, to the side of the kayak. So if I need later on, for example, to charge this battery, so I can remove it from there like this, and I just connect it to the side of the kayak with the camera here, and this goes all the way up here. Battery is small, so I'll just hold it for about 30 seconds. So now we installed the battery and it's almost all the way over here on the top. So even if some water goes inside in the kayak, inside of this storage, so it will be protected. And basically the panel also protected because it's on top, and battery and all the wires. So I think this is the best spot. And if I want to charge it, I just will remove it, because these straps I can remove it with them and go and charge. But in future I want to install some special from Outdoor charger. One charger for this battery and for the big one for the trolling motor, so I can charge everything at one time. Okay, so basically with this we're good. Now we need to install the switch or controller. So it has the GoPro connection here, like GoPro or action cameras, like that. And this controller goes inside of this stuff. So first of all, you need to find here this small screwdriver, unscrew it. There is some small stuff in the battery that you need to remove, like that. Now place it back and screw it. Because we have the Bluetooth version or wireless version, I don't know if it's Bluetooth or no. Well, no, Bluetooth also include if you install the application on your phone. So you can do this. Oh, it's even lighting up. Okay, then this goes inside of this box, of this holder. This rubber doesn't want to go inside. You need to use the screwdriver or something like that, a knife, to push it in, since I think it's supposed to be waterproof. Now we have the screws here, small. Here is some strap. I think you can even use it and just like remove. So like that, and I will glue another part to the kayak so it's gonna stay nice and good. So I don't want to make extra holes, so I just planning to glue it here with my. So I will just try to glue it with the stripes. Where did I place it? Okay, so I have piece of this stripe and I just place it over here. I will see if it works or no. If not, I have always option to just screw it with the screws. But I just don't want to make extra holes. Just like that. Or even next to this hole maybe. Maybe lights will be there. Next to chair. I think I place it over here and then I will see if it's good spot or no. So I can always remove it. Like this. On or off. I think this will be good position. That. Okay guys, so while we're waiting when the silicone dry out on that front lights, I will install the lights for the deck. So we have over here in this box. So we have two lights, and basically we have the connector that can go on one bottom on the controller, and it's go to the main panel. Over here we even have the drill special, I believe, for this hole. So we have the nut from inside and we have some washer from outside. I think first we need to run this inside and then insert the washer and just screw it. And maybe a little bit of silicone. Okay, let's start. So I will start one light over here and another light next to this hole over here somewhere. Okay, where is my drill? I can use this drill. The package, this bit from the package. Okay, so I will drill in like on the middle of this, somewhere over here. So even I can measure the same distance. That's good. There. And the same from other side. So polish it. Now we need to run the cables inside. Okay. Very long cable. I hope it reaches from here. Over here, I want to try to use some special putty. It's called steel reinforced epoxy putty. And I just apply this over here. Or you can use the silicone, that's doesn't matter. And now we just screw it. So I place this putty or silicone over there. I just want any water that goes inside of the boat. Like this. Just don't over tighten it, and you see that putty basically seal all the holes, let's say, because when I use the silicone it's stick to this polished plastic very bad. So on this side I try to use this putty. Also maybe place the putty around that lights on the sides. Okay, so we connect this. Now we place this nut on this cable and basically screw it from inside. So this will be the challenge. Now I can reach it. Okay, so I'll unscrew this hole. And basically I can reach from this side. Okay, now this nut goes inside, or the wire goes inside of the nut. And all this goes over here. And I need somehow with one finger just do it. Or I don't know, if I can't, I'll leave it like this. I don't know, looks like it goes. So I did it. Now just a little bit tighter. Okay, now it's good. So this cable goes to the panel over there. So thank you, Old Town, for the access from basically from anywhere. Okay. So this wire is from this up on this back. Okay. This is good. Now we go other side.
Now we have the same box, you have this side. A little bit off, come through here. That's the reason. Yeah. Then, you take a look at the
So now time to install the light. The light so red from the left side. When you installing this, so Yak-Power recommend install this guy, the electric grease, better connection. So like that. This. Glue it, and we can use this screw over here. So for now I just leave it like this, and we'll see, maybe in future I will screw it. Basically this is good. Now green goes on this side. Like that. This is good. Now we can place some extra silicone around, or leave it like this, and we can screw over here. Okay, so finally I installed the side lights, the lights inside on the boat, on the deck lights, and basically we can now test it. Okay, so from my side it's good, this side good. So basically it works, and the battery on the side, all the wires hide, and it's not on the way. I still can use this storage. Lights on the deck also I think is in good position, so it's not on front of the eyes. And basically this side lights in the deck you can install in these pre-drilled holes that Old Town did, but I prefer like on the side, so I can use some different accessories over here. So the battery is over there on the top behind the rod holders, and over here I have just the wire, so I can disconnect this and connect the charger. The panel is over here, main panel, and wires also, almost all the wires behind. So this is the green one, and over there on the sides is the deck lights. So like I said, if you don't want to make the hole, but that hole is basically the small, so you can install over here. Over here it will work fine as well. So it looks like this, and the red light from this side, I just place the silicone all around, so just in case. Water seal, I just don't want the water that goes inside the boat. And the controller is over here, basically very close to the seat, and even I can grab it and place in my pocket. Oh, it looks like this. So I think this setup makes night fishing or early mornings fishing so much easy, and it keeps your kayak clean, no mess, no wires on top of the kayak, all the wires inside. Even if you don't want drill the holes for these lights on the deck, you can install on these pre-drilled holes, just you need drill for the side lights. So I highly recommend this. because it's very bright light, and especially like I said in the morning, evening, night, if you want to fishing. So even the rules request at least the green and red light, so other people can see on the water. So thank you for the watching, and if you'd like this video, give that thumbs up and subscribe for more kayaks tips and mods. Thank you. Have a good one.